Yeah, you're welcome back. Let's continue. Yeah, in this tutorial, we're going to show you all that we've done in a browser. Okay, so you see what we've done so far. So you open your browser, your favorite browser. I'm going to close. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. You can use Chrome or whatever browser, but if you have Firefox, follow along with me. Use Firefox. Okay, in this tutorial, use Firefox. Try to use Firefox if you have it. If you don't have it, download it. Okay, download it and install it. Let's use the same text, the same browser. But if you're already used to Chrome and you want to use Chrome, that's okay. We can accommodate that. Okay. All right. So let's go there. Let's show you what we have. So how can you access your file? To access your file, this one way to access it. Just go to your folder, this online shop folder. Click here, online shop. Then you can copy this online shop. Then you come here, type in localhost. Then you paste the online shop here. Okay, but make sure that your local server is on, that this XAMPP server is on. Then enter. Do you see? It will show you what we've done so far. Because we've not styled anything, it will only show you what you typed in. Okay, all these sections, see all these sections, but we've not styled it at all. So all these stuffs we typed will show. If you go to this stuff we type will show. These things we type, but we've not done any styling at all. Okay, so it will be showing like this. Okay, now if you look at the top, the title, now you're going to see the title added to it. You see that wearable, fashion, accessories, and all. Okay, so that's that will show you that this header section we linked is working. Okay, because we link this header section here. Okay, if you look down here, you're going to see footer. That will show you also that the footer section that we linked is also working quite well. Okay, very good. So there's one more thing I want to show. I want to tell you about template. If you are new, and if you're new in web development and you want to focus on back end, you can easily buy templates. Okay, for example, you can buy HTML, CSS, and JavaScript template like this one. For example, if you want to build online shop and you want it to look like this, okay, you can go to htmlcodex.com, get this template. This template, actually you can download it for free, but if you download it for free and use it, it means that at the bottom of your template you're going to see something like this: designed by HTML Codex, not designed by you. So anybody that sees this website, we get HTML, we think that it was designed by HTML Codex. So it's better that when you buy this stuff, you need to buy it. So once you buy it, this will be removed from you. This will be removed. Okay. But if you want to be a full stack web developer, I wouldn't advise you to buy template, especially if you are new. Okay, I wouldn't advise you to be buying templates if you are new. I will instead advise you to use template as your inspiration and code everything in that template from the scratch. You can download the free version of the template and study the code and recode it and code it by yourself. You understand? It will help you to learn and keep learning and become a better full stack web developer. I believe you get my point. You can only buy template as a full stack web developer if you are in a haste. Maybe you have a lot of projects and you want to complete it, and you're already a professional. You know what you're doing. Okay, so you are no longer learning. So as a professional, you're in a haste. You don't want to waste time. You have many other projects you're working on. You buy templates and edit the template and keep working to meet up. You understand? That is, by the way. Thank you so much. So so you've seen how our website is looking. Just a plain stuff with text, nothing more. Yeah. In the next tutorial now, we are going to start styling the project. Okay, we take our time to style it. to give it general style. Then okay, let's see how it's gonna be. Thank you so much.